Business owners, C-suite executives, managers, and team leaders have a common responsibility: coaching their team into higher performance. Each job title is tasked with continuous improvement, and the human capital in any organization is your most valuable priority. The best way to lead your greatest asset is through the intentional mastery of having coaching conversations. The Maxwell method of coaching, a method rooted in the time-tested teachings of the leadership legend John Maxwell, imparts the skills and understanding to confidently coach your team members into their best potential. Learn and practice building rapport and how to truly connect with your people. You will learn how to be present and activate intentional listening, which will allow you to truly hear what you are being told by your team. Coach your team to sharpen their problem-solving skills and achieve greater results in their work and personal lives. The Maxwell method of coaching brings you to new levels of leadership so that you can draw the absolute best out of your team.